Well, today we had our Veterans Day presentation. Our students find their veteran at home to come in and join us for the festivities this morning. We want to make sure that we educate them on how special this event is. It's about thanking our veterans for our freedom. Our students need to understand our purpose. What's the purpose of our veterans? Why are they here? What did they do? It was just a beautiful event to come together to thank our veterans and their families.
My nephew, and they've been excited for about a month for me to be here with them. My niece told me she was going to be dancing for me and singing in the choir, so I was really excited.
This year we were selected for the 24-25 school year by TEA. It's a Purple Star designation, and basically what it is, it supports our students and their families, the military students and families. And our counselors are working with the students as far as making sure, doing their check-ins. They do arts and crafts with them, activities. We have quite a few students here that need that support. And it's a good way to make sure that we do our little check-ins with them, making sure they're good and we're supporting them. They know that here at Dr. William Long Elementary, we are one family and we take care of each other.
And let us never forget that the freedoms we cherish are protected by the dedication of our veterans.
It starts at a young age, making sure that these individuals, these young men and women, that they're not self-centered, that they understand that helping others, helping the community, it starts at a young age. There's a lot that they can do right now to help their men.
I'm very honored to showcase this campus. Dr. William Long, he was a pillar in our community here in the city of FAR. He was a veteran, and he served in the military as well. So it means a lot to me to be able to get this honor to serve our community as well and our students and to showcase this campus.
I love it. It's great. It was unexpected. This is my first year as a veteran. It's very difficult after 30 years of active duty. And for my nephew and my niece at a very young age to reach out to me and make sure that I am being recognized on this day has meant a lot to me, absolutely.
I'd like to thank our veterans for all that they've done. We thank them, we support them, and we love them.